Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your password in Betfair, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Betfair in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official page of Betfair where you can see forgot your username/password options on in the screen where you just need to click on password. Now you'll be redirected to the another page where it is asking us for our email address or username and our date of birth. Once you complete your credentials, click to check and complete few more formalities and you'll be able to reset your password successfully. So basically this is how you can reset your password in Betfair, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.